Take a look at Jisoo Life Ultra One, a handy gadget that works as a fan, light, and power bank in one. Perfect for camping, barbecues, or night hikes. It offers 10 fan speeds, bright adjustable lighting, and a 13,500 milliamp hour battery for charging devices. Analyzing Vataki, the power station that makes your devices last longer than your uncle's war stories. It packs a 1,200 watt-hour battery that can expand up to 10 kilowatt hours, powers up to 14 devices at once, and recharges fast with solar or AC. Plus, it has built-in speakers. It has a 1,000 watt pure sine wave inverter with a 2,000 watt surge and a 932 watt hour battery. You get 12 output ports, wireless charging, and fast USB-C PD. If it's windy, it's hard to light your grill. But Luft Lighter is an electric starter that heats air to about 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit to fire wood in around 60 seconds. Its best feature is that no lighter fluid is needed. AllGear Pro has several outdoor tools into one device, including a 30,000 ampere hour power bank, lights, mosquito protection, and Bluetooth speaker. At just 5 pounds, it's easy to carry anywhere outdoors. Weech's filter turns many water sources into drinking one while keeping all minerals. Its 5-stage system uses a fine micron membrane. The Pro version keeps natural minerals, while the Max adds strontium. It can filter about 37 gallons per charge. When you are camping, you will need to shower, and this one washes and dries at the same time. New Direction Alarm Set offers 10 sensitivity levels, clear adjustable tones, and volume up to 100 decibels, and LED colors you can customize. The receiver shows battery and line movement in real time. Next one, let's see this single-person chair that supports up to 275 pounds. It has a breathable backrest and a small foot hammock so your back and legs can relax after a long day. A side pocket holds your drinks or a book. When you are outside at evenings and you want to watch a movie, then don't forget to bring with you BenQ GS50. It has sharp 1080p visuals with HDR support and bright, vibrant colors, even in dim rooms. With HDMI, USB-C, wireless casting, Android TV apps, autofocus, and a battery for about 2.5 hours, it's simple to set up and take anywhere.